In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 awesome things with ChatGPT on Windows 11. The first thing is ChatGPT can be downloaded as an app. So go ahead, launch the Microsoft Store, select on ChatGPT, and then go ahead and download the application. Now that the app is downloaded, you can quickly access ChatGPT by using the keyboard shortcut Alt and Spacebar, and this launches you straight into ChatGPT. In the top right-hand corner of ChatGPT, you will notice a speech bubble that is lined out. If we select on this, this turns on temporary chat. This is essentially incognito mode for ChatGPT. Anything you put in here will not appear in your history and it won't be saved to the model. If you select on your profile in the top right-hand corner, go over to your settings and then select on personalization and custom instructions on. You can actually customize ChatGPT by telling it your name, what you do, and give it any specific traits, such as talk like a member of Gen Z. On the left-hand side of ChatGPT, you'll see a button called GPTs. This is an extensive library of custom AIs that allow you to do things like create content, writing, productivity. Go ahead, find an AI that you like. I'm going to open up Video AI for this example. I'm going to start a chat. I'm going to say, let's create a short video for YouTube. And then on the left-hand side, what you'll see once you've started this is you can select on that AI and then choose to keep it in the sidebar. So when you close out of ChatGPT and launch back into it, it is really easy to access that AI model again. And those are 5 awesome tips to use ChatGPT. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're in a supercharge raise your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.